Have you ever wondered why you can run and play, but your favorite toy car can't? It's because you, my dear friend, are a living thing, and your toy car, as much as you love it, is not. Living things have characteristics that set them apart from non-living things. You grow taller each year, right? That's because living things grow. You've seen puppies turn into dogs, and kittens into cats. That's growth in action. Now think about your toy car again. No matter how long you have it, it never gets bigger or changes form like you do. That's because it's not a living thing. Living things can also reproduce. You've seen baby birds hatch from eggs, haven't you? But your toy car can't make baby toy cars. Most importantly, living things can move on their own. You can run, jump, and dance. But your toy car? It needs you to move it. So it's not magic. It's because you are a living thing, and your toy car is not. But did you know, not all living things are as big as you or even as small as an ant? There's a whole world of life that's so tiny, we can't see it with our naked eyes. We call these tiny life forms microorganisms. Now don't get scared by that big word. Microorganisms are just tiny living things that are too small for us to see. They are everywhere, in the air we breathe, the food we eat, and even inside us. Microorganisms are like invisible workers, helping us in ways we don't even realize. For instance, have you ever wondered what makes bread rise and become fluffy? That's the work of a microorganism called yeast. And what about breaking down waste into something that plants can use? That's another job for our invisible workers. So even if we can't see them, these tiny workers are helping us every day. And what about our green friends? Do they also grow and reproduce like us? Indeed they do. Plants, our green friends, are fascinating living things. Just like us, they grow and multiply, but in their own unique ways. Picture this, a tiny seed comfortably nestled in the soil. It absorbs water and nutrients, and soon, a sprout pushes its way up towards the sunlight. This is the start of an amazing journey. The sprout grows into a plant, spreading its leaves to bask in the sun's warmth. In time, it blossoms into beautiful flowers, a spectacle of nature's artistry. But that's not all. These flowers then produce seeds, tiny packages of life, waiting to start their own journey. Plants may not walk or talk like us, but they do move. Ever so slowly they stretch towards the light, a dance so subtle we barely notice it. So, even without moving around like us, our green friends are also very much alive. So what have we learned today? We've discovered the wonders of life, from the tiniest microorganisms to the tallest trees. We've realized that living things grow, reproduce, and move, while non-living things don't. We've learned that even those beings that are so tiny, we can't see them with our naked eye, or those that stand tall and still like the mighty oak are also living things. We've delved into the world of the invisible workers, those microorganisms that are constantly at work, unseen by us. We've also explored our green friends, the plants that give us food, oxygen, and a beautiful world to live in. So, the next time you play with your toy car, remember, it might not be alive like you, but it sure does bring joy to your life, doesn't it? And if you enjoyed learning about living things today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Quick Facts channel for more fun learning.